Rack and pinion gear. Working, design, application, advantages. A rack and pinion gear is a mechanical system that consists of a linear rack and a rotational pinion gear. It is widely used in various industries due to its simplicity, efficiency, and versatility. This comprehensive guide aims to provide a detailed understanding of the mechanics, components, applications, and working principles of rack and pinion gear. Understanding the mechanics of rack and pinion gear. To comprehend the mechanics of rack and pinion gear, it is essential to grasp the fundamental principles behind its operation. The gear system operates on the principle of converting rotational motion into linear motion or vice versa. The rack, which is a flat, toothed bar, acts as the linear component, while the pinion gear, a small toothed wheel, serves as the rotational component. The interaction between the rack and pinion gear occurs when the pinion gear rotates and engages with the teeth on the rack. As the pinion gear rotates, it transfers its rotational motion to the rack, causing it to move linearly. This mechanism allows for efficient power transmission and precise control over the linear motion. Components and structure of a rack and pinion gear. The rack and pinion gear system consists of several essential components that work together to enable smooth and efficient motion transfer. The main components include the rack, pinion gear, bearings, and housing. The rack is a long, straight bar with teeth on one side, while the pinion gear is a small wheel with corresponding teeth. The teeth on the rack and pinion gear are designed to mesh together precisely. The accurate alignment of the teeth ensures smooth and precise motion transfer. To minimize friction and wear, bearings are incorporated into the gear system. These bearings support the rotational motion of the pinion gear, reducing friction and enhancing the overall efficiency of the system. The housing of the rack and pinion gear provides protection and support for the components. It is typically made of a durable material such as steel or aluminum, ensuring the longevity of the gear system. The structure of the rack and pinion gear is designed to withstand the forces and stresses generated during operation, providing stability and reliability. Advantages and disadvantages of using rack and pinion gear. The utilization of rack and pinion gear offers several advantages in various applications. One of the primary advantages is the high efficiency of power transmission. The direct contact between the teeth on the rack and the pinion gear minimizes energy loss, resulting in efficient motion transfer. This efficiency makes rack and pinion gear suitable for applications that require precise and rapid linear motion. Another advantage of rack and pinion gear is its compact size. The gear system occupies minimal space, making it ideal for applications with limited space availability. Additionally, the simplicity of the gear system reduces the complexity of the overall design, leading to cost savings in manufacturing and maintenance. Despite its numerous advantages, rack and pinion gear also have some limitations. One disadvantage is the potential for backlash, which refers to the slight movement or play between the teeth of the rack and pinion gear. Backlash can affect the precision and accuracy of the motion transfer, especially in applications that require high precision. Furthermore, the load capacity of rack and pinion gear is limited compared to other gear systems such as spur gears or helical gears. This limitation restricts the use of rack and pinion gear in applications that involve heavy loads or high torque requirements. Applications of rack and pinion gear. Rack and pinion gear find applications in various industries due to its versatility and adaptability. One of the primary applications is in the automotive industry, specifically in the steering system of vehicles. Rack and pinion steering gear assembly provides precise and responsive steering control, allowing for smooth maneuverability and improved safety. Rack and pinion gear ratio and its significance. The rack and pinion gear ratio plays a crucial role in determining the mechanical advantage and motion characteristics of the gear system. The gear ratio is defined as the ratio between the number of teeth on the pinion gear to the number of teeth on the rack. It represents the amount of rotation in the pinion gear required to achieve a specific linear displacement of the rack. Working principle of rack and pinion gear. Understanding the working principle of rack and pinion gear is essential to comprehend its functionality and operation. The gear system operates on the principle of converting rotational motion into linear motion or vice versa. When the pinion gear rotates, its teeth engage with the teeth on the rack, causing the rack to move linearly. The rotation of the pinion gear determines the direction and magnitude of the linear motion. Conversely, when an external force is applied to the rack, it causes the pinion gear to rotate. The working principle of rack and pinion gear is based on the precise meshing of the teeth, which ensures smooth and efficient motion transfer. The linear motion of the rack can be controlled and adjusted by varying the rotational motion of the pinion gear. Conclusion: the versatility and importance of rack and pinion gear. In conclusion, rack and pinion gear is a fundamental mechanical system that plays a crucial role in various industries. Its simplicity, efficiency, and versatility make it a preferred choice for applications that require precise motion control and power transmission. By understanding the mechanics, components, and working principles of rack and pinion gear, engineers and designers can utilize this gear system effectively in their respective fields. The advantages of high efficiency, compact size, and adaptability make rack and pinion gear indispensable in industries such as automotive, robotics, optics, and industrial automation. Thanks for watching.